Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing home remedies for gastric problems. Gastric problems are a common issue that can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor diet, stress, and underlying health conditions. Symptoms of gastric problems include bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. Fortunately, there are several natural remedies that can help to alleviate these symptoms. So, let's get started. Remedy 1. Ginger tea. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to alleviate gastric problems. Brew a cup of ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and add a teaspoon of honey if desired. Drink the tea before or after meals to reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Remedy 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy that can help to balance the pH levels in your stomach and promote healthy digestion. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and drink it 30 minutes before a meal to prevent gastric problems. Remedy 3. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are an effective remedy for bloating and gas. Chew on a teaspoon of fennel seeds after a meal to improve digestion and prevent bloating. You can also brew fennel tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Remedy 4. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil has natural antispasmodic properties that can help to alleviate stomach cramps and bloating. Add a drop of peppermint oil to a glass of water or herbal tea and drink it before or after meals to prevent gastric problems. Remedy 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a natural remedy that can help to soothe the digestive system and reduce inflammation. Brew a cup of chamomile tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink the tea before or after meals to prevent gastric problems. Remedy 6. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are a natural remedy that can help to improve digestion and alleviate gastric problems. Roast a teaspoon of cumin seeds and chew them after meals to prevent bloating and gas. You can also brew cumin tea by steeping a teaspoon of cumin seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Remedy 7. Carom seeds. Carom seeds are a natural remedy that can help to alleviate gastric problems by improving digestion. Chew on a teaspoon of carom seeds after meals to prevent bloating and gas. You can also brew carom seed tea by steeping a teaspoon of carom seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Remedy 8. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a natural remedy that can help to soothe the digestive system and alleviate gastric problems. Drink a small amount of aloe vera juice before meals to prevent bloating and gas. Remedy 9. Yogurt. Yogurt is a natural remedy that can help to balance the bacteria in your gut and improve digestion. Eat a small amount of plain yogurt after meals to prevent bloating and gas. Remedy 10. Exercise. Finally, regular exercise can help to improve digestion and prevent gastric problems. Try to engage in moderate exercise for 30 minutes a day, such as walking, cycling, or swimming. So, there you have it. These 10 home remedies for gastric problems should help to alleviate your symptoms and improve your digestion. Remember, if your gastric problems persist or become more severe, it's important to seek professional medical advice.